Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is 23rd of November and we had a great weekend. We had a great week, and this weekend I am doing my simulation on gold. Last time we did it on in the month of August 2024. Today we'll start from Monday, that is a 9th of September. We'll start with $10,000. The spreads are fixed. These are the basic settings. We'll keep chart as standard, and period should be 15 minutes. I just don't want to go below than this. So 15 minutes is the standard time that we can use, right? So let's just start the stimulation. And yeah, so okay, close this. So let me do a basic setups here. I'll reset my chart. We will be simulating the London and pre-London session. So now this is the London. The green area is the London time frame. So we would start simulation from 6 a.m. right? So let's just forward this candle. Let me check. So as you can see, we are consolidating, right? And we will use a risk this time based on percentage. Usually I am doing a funded account, so I would not risk this much, but today we will just assume that you have $10,000 in your own account, in our own account, and we are trading our own capital of $10,000, right? So let's just forward this chart till 6. Let me turn off some settings. Do we have some news? Not so many major news to US dollar. So yeah, daily. So forward, as you can see, we are on 9th of September, and we are just forwarding this time frame to 6 o'clock, right? Yeah, 6 o'clock. So let's just say that we came to the chart and price was moving down. This is a daily time frame, and daily, as you can see, is pushing down. Maybe we'll fill this week, and with volume continue pushing down to this 2471 area. So let's just jump to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour has already moved down. It seems like we have a resistance form, and we have some sort of a rejection in this area. We're probably going to see that in the lower time frame. Yeah, so on the lower time frame we had this move, which is a 1-hour time frame. We move down, we have a resistance, and we have this support form. So if we breaking below the support, we have another support at 2484, and then down till 2473. So one thing that I would like to point out, that this candle now has moved 100 pip in one direction. So whenever the candle moves 100 pip in one direction, the probability of next candle going further, it becomes lower. You probably want to see some sort of a retracement, some sort of a confirmation that we are pulling down, we are pushing down. So let's just go to the 30-minute time frame. 30-minute, we broke this support area, and now you just want to wait and see what price does. If the next candle start breaking the low, we could push down, but we have this support. Let me mark this. This is only a 25 pip away. Yeah, 24-25 pip away. If this candle starts breaking the low, maybe we're gonna fill this week and with volume continue pushing down, but I generally want to see some sort of a retracement here. And if we get a good retracement, or a candle closing below this support on some sort of a confirmation, then we might go down. Okay, so we are pushing down here in the first 2 minutes, right? In the first 2 minutes, we already moved 100 pip in one direction, guys. So let's just wait now. We want price to create some sort of a resistance coming up, and that would be a good confirmation for price to go down. But if we create a support, then probability of we could correct this move, right? We don't know, because then we will have a clean range to the top side. Nothing as such. Let me just speed it up a little bit. 15-minute about to close. Let me just see. Okay, 15-minute has closed. 15-minute has closed bullish, and we created another support. We can take a buy because 30-minute candle is still open and we broke below the support area, and we can't take a sell because candle is not printed bearish, it's still bullish. For our so 30-minute will close in 3 simulation minutes, and we're breaking below this low, but we can't take a buy right now because we're breaking the candle has only 2 minutes left to close. So yeah, nothing right now. Yeah, so candle close like this. We have a 15-minute candle that is close, that created low, but the only problem here is that stop loss. So maybe the next candle wicks up and start breaking the low, then we might think of sells. But I want price to create some sort of a resistance level, because last 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth candle has closed bearish. So now you have to ask yourself that what's the probability of the seventh candle going down, and which is very low, I think. So it's better to wait. Now we have to adjust the zones. As you can see, we have a resistance form on a 15-minute time frame, and as I already told you that if this candle creates a support, and see, at this moment we could not take a buy because your stop loss would have been 43 pip, and which is not an ideal scenario. So sometimes you're gonna see these kind of movements in the market. All you have to do is just wait for price to print exactly the way you want it to print, and don't get into the rush of this volatility. So 30-minute still open. The next candle is going to be a London open candle, right, at 7 o'clock, and we are closing a bullish candle right over here. So if we are closing bullish, then the probability of next candle breaking down, let me just pause this. We came back, we created a support now. This candle, if we take a buy, then your stop loss is 43 pip. 1 hour also created a support. Now you have to adjust the zones. We created a support. 4 hour is just still open. 15-minute it's still 15-minute could go down, maybe wake up and go down. So just gotta wait. Maybe if this come down till here, maybe I execute a buy on the retracement, because now we have a support form, right? It's just a waiting game, guys. It's waiting game. I'm waiting for price to show me some sort of a confirmation or some possible. If this come down till here, maybe we execute a buy, but right now no. 15 minutes still open. 15-minute closing. 15-minute 3. Okay, 15-minute close with a weaker body. So nope. Ooh. So okay. If it comes down somewhere here, then I would like to execute a buy. But right now, oh yeah, maybe we can execute a buy here and anticipate this candle to push up. And what's going to be your, yeah, 23, maybe execute a buy here, and once it breaks the high we should continue momentum towards the top side, right? So yes, I think 30-minute, this is a London open now, 30-minute will close. You're probably going to fill this wick and then continue pushing to the top side, right? That's the simple analysis that I had. Because if we could not here, so here is the thing: if we could not break this low and continue uh, creating a lower highs and lower lows, then the probability of price going down becomes lower, and going up and correcting this whole move is become higher now. So that is why and also if you see, this candle created a resistance, right, on the 15-minute time frame. This candle, this 30-minute, this 15-minute candle, it broke above it. The next candle came down, it closed above this resistance, right? And the next candle, it closes with a weaker body, which means the volume to going down has now decreased. And the very next candle, this 15-minute candle, it wicked down, it respected the low of the previous 15-minute candle, which is, let me just, so yeah, I'll mark few stuff. So if this candle has respected the low of the previous 15-minute candle, then, and it started breaking the high of the previous 15-minute candle, then the probability of price going up and breaking this minor resistance has become higher. So let's just see now. I will play, oh, where is it? Okay, trade panel. Yeah, here is a trade panel where you can see we are up 7-8 pips. Okay, very nice. Oh wow, we are up 28 pips, $110. We fill this wick, and now what we can do is at least break even the stop loss. And yeah, very nice trade. Oh wow, 31 pips. So I'm gonna close partials here, 80%, and let the rest run. Probably, yeah, probably till here, I think. So that's it. So this was a good idea, good trade idea. We executed on that, and we had, so always try to find clean moves in the market. When you find this kind of clean structure in the market, then you will start thinking in probabilities, and you will start looking at this stuff that, okay, if price is not making a, so yeah, right now probably I'll secure everything over here. I'll close, or maybe just wait, or modify. Let me just modify this below this candle. Yeah, so whenever you see this kind of clean moves happening in the market, and we are consolidating on the higher time frames, for example daily time frame, then the probability of price going into the trend becomes lower and it starts consolidating. So this entire move now has got corrected. I will probably, yeah, so I got stopped out. Yeah, so that's fine, that's fine. So let's jump to the next day. Let me see what happened next. We created a low, then probably if we wick up and start breaking the low, maybe we test this low, I don't know. Maybe this price will wick up and start breaking the low, because then the overall 4-hour will get this wick fill, and yeah, that's it. So let's see. So no price create now. Okay, see this candle, it did not break the low of the previous 30-minute candle. So now you have to just see. So once your trade is done, once you're done for the day, because I would suggest you to take only 1 to 2 trades a day. But when you are not when you're not willing to execute any trade, you can try to play these kind of games that to predict the direction of the market. don't execute on this, but you can predict. So now if price has created a support, price should continue. If the next candle respects the low of the previous 30-minute candle, we could continue its momentum to the top side. Yeah, see, so here was your another entry. Yeah, here you would have entered another buy and would anticipate price to continue pushing to the top side. So this is how you want to adjust your mind, adjust your strategy. You cannot stick. So before this candle, let's just say before this candle printed this 30-minute candle, my brain automatically told me that we are going down, because let's just assume that the entire move we created a low. So this was your low form, price came up, price created a resistance. So whenever price created resistance, we generally move downside, we create a low from the resistance. So if this candle is a strong bearish candle, so if this next candle has created topping, and if it started breaking the low of this 30-minute candle, we would have corrected this whole move. But instead of that, price created a bullish candle, and now you can say that, okay, we have a low form, now we have a higher we have a low, higher low, and higher high form, and now this become your trend. And you can ignore this entire price action. Now you just have to focus upon this price action. So let's just forward this candle. We are not trading. Yeah, so this would have been a good 40, 50 pip, 60 pip move. Now, yeah, so we are ranging right now. Yeah, we went up. This is NY session. We are not looking at NY session anyways. So let me just reset the chart. We'll jump to the Tuesday and we'll start from daily again. So yeah, forward 3, 2, 5, 3, and 6 o'clock. We are back in the pre-London session. Daily, we're still consolidating. We created a support, so the probability of price wick down and going up now becomes higher. So I am not talking about what if scenario. So there are infinite amount of what if scenario could happen, that this candle might consolidate, this candle might push further down. But what you have to analyze and anticipate moves based on what you see in the market, and not overthink or do the analysis. So if we are created a support on the daily time frame, so automatically I say to myself that, okay, if the next candle wicks down and it should break the high of the previous daily candle, it should go up. And in this scenario, I am looking for a lower time frame, 1 hour, 4 hour, or 30 minute, to create a support so that I can take a buy, right? So now you can see we are creating some sort of a support on the 4-hour time frame, and we have a resistance form on the 4-hour time frame. And one more thing, I'm telling you all this stuff in the probability. So when I say I am looking for support to form, I mean my bias is bullish, but there is chances, there is a probability that price might create a lower highs and lower lows, and it might push down, because we are ranging right now. We don't have a trending market, right? So let's just jump to the 1-hour time frame. 1 hour, we created a support here, and we have a resistance form on the 1 hour. This candle, if we created a support, this is a 32 pip candle, and we have some more market structure on 30-minute. But let's just see, if we broke above this, see, we had this resistance, right? This candle tried to break up, but it closed at the support. The next candle, it broke above this resistance, but it has a weak body, weak bullish candle. So I'm not sure. I might need to look at 15-minute time frame. Okay, 15-minute is just messed up, so I would just wait for price action to print to show me something, maybe if we come down, create a support. If we execute a buy here and we fill this wick, but the next support, next resistance is at 16 pip, and then to the top. I don't know. Kind of. I think price should go up based on my analysis. Yeah, maybe it was a good buy, I think, but we created a support, we're pushing up. But the only problem was this 30-minute candle, right? Maybe you could have executed a buy here and kept stop loss below this and anticipate volume to push the price up. But that's okay. Let's just say we missed this trade. And now we'll wait for the another opportunity. Now buying at this high is not recommended at all, because then your range becomes smaller. Buying at this 2503 area would have been better, since we are closer to this zone. So when the price moves from zone to zones, the more price move away from this zone, the lines that I these squares that I mark, the probability of retracement is become higher. See, now we are retracing. So this is a kind of not good price action, I would say, because I don't like the way it is moving. So let's just wait and we'll see the calendar. If you have some news today, 10th, oh yeah, today is no, so CPI is on 11th. So today we don't have any news. So let's wait for a while. Since 4 hour, if we create a support, then we could go up based on a daily time frame. But the previous 4 hour closed bearish, so I don't know about that. Maybe this 15-minute candle we need to see, but see the volume now, see the body of this 30-minute candle. It's just getting smaller. We created a support on a 15-minute time frame. Now if we adjust the zone like this, and we have price that should, but we are, to be honest, within this range of 20 pips. I'm not confident about this. I'm not confident about this. Oh, we came down. Now we're breaking the low, so buys are not in the play right now. I'm not looking for buying anything on this candle, because if it has to go up, it should have respected the low of the previous 30-minute candle. And 15-minute came up, 30-minute. Oh, this is very, kind of messy price action. Choppy, you can call it. Wait for this 30-minute to close. 30-minute we close 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now nothing in this price action. Only way I'm going to look for buys if we break above this area. And look how clean and neat price we have to the left hand side. Look at this candle. If we break above this is gonna be a good opportunity to take a buy. But all you have to do is just to wait now. If we forward this, yeah. Okay, so we break. So I think this is just the range. Price is not doing anything. Maybe if we break, we have still support and another support. So I'm not interested in sales, because maybe if we break below this, I don't know, but I think you should keep on ranging in this area. $15-minute close bearish. We are pushing down here. 15-minute now broke the high of the previous 15-minute candle, and we close like this. We close We are ranging right now, nothing is happening probably. So you have to ask yourself a few questions before executing in trade. So when you see this 4 hour candle, this 4 hour candle had a volume, right? This candle had a volume, this 4 hour candle had volume. This 4 hour candle had weak, it is kind of a weak candle, it's not strong like this one, but it had a volume to bullish side. But this candle came down and it has a good bearish volume. But this candle, it just rejected and it closed like this. So in this 4 hour candle, we had a very low volume, or you can call it a consol where the price consolidated. And if this is kind of scenario, if you're looking at in the market, so maybe market is not going to move in the London session or pre-London session, and maybe market is waiting maybe for NY to open, or maybe to get some news, or maybe adapt some news and then move to the anticipated direction. So when you see something like this, you better stay away from it, and not get caught into this kind of the choppy price action. Just try to have a clean market structure, clean rules, set of rules for yourself. So yeah, now see, we are consolidating. There's nothing in the market right now. We consolidated. Maybe this candle now, wick down, we should continue pushing to the top. Yeah, because we are buying at the support. But if it breaks below this, then nothing at all. If this, yeah, see, we have another support at this area, and we're breaking below this. Good. But the only way you can sell now, below this. Yeah, now you have to adjust the zones. If price breaks below this, then we have a 40 52 pip range for price to fill. And this is how you will do the analysis and adjust your zones based on a current price action. So 3 2 1, and yeah, see, we rejected the same area. And now you see, you are passing your session. So now you should not execute any trade. If you are trading in London, you should, or if you want to trade any other session, then you can go for NY. But I think, yeah, I think only trade was here, but I did not like the price action. So yeah, see, we went up straight away. Maybe you would have executed a buy here, but that's fine. Oh yeah, so we broke above this area. And if we create some sort, if this candle closes above this, then we're likely gonna go up and continue our daily momentum to the top side. So 15 minute closing, 15-minute close like this, and this 30-minute candle is still open. We are heading in the NY, just waiting for the right setup to form, and that's it. Now, yeah, we came down again. Wow. So if we are pushing up, now you can say maybe we create a support in this area. But yeah, so this become your, you can call it a fake out move, and we're breaking below this, and we should continue pushing down, since 1 hour and 30-minute and also 4 hour is now, so we had this range, price break above this candle is breaking below this, maybe we keep stop loss above this and anticipate price to further push down. So let's take one more trade here. We push down. Yeah, there was a fake out move. Let me just see. 30-minute push close like this. 15-minute it's closing like this. We broke below this support area as well, and next candle should continue pushing downside. This, yeah, once this breaks the low, then you can actively manage the risk. Yeah, it should. And I'm not gonna hold this trade because this is not my session. I'm just willing to take small profits here. Now, if it is breaking its low of the previous 30-minute candle, it should, the price action is kind of choppy. Wait, 15-minute, okay. 15-minute close bullish. I don't like this. I'm gonna close partials here. This is how I manage risk. I'm gonna close partial. If this candle, it should have gone down, right? And if the next candle, if the next candle, if it is breaking the low, then it's fine. If it is breaking the high, maybe I'll look for closing the whole thing. But right now, based on a 30-minute time frame, I'm just okay. We're breaking the highs here. Maybe I'm gonna close this stuff. Maybe, yeah. I want to close this stuff, but we'll see. Yeah, close this. Yeah. So I just manage risk now, and maybe we create some sort of a support here. Yeah, the volume is not there. Volume is not there, and I don't like it. This candle closed with a no wick at the bottom. Yeah, I think our original analysis of buys would play out, and then we will think. Yeah, 15-minute close. Now we have to adjust the zone, and maybe now we are creating support here. This become your support now. Yeah. So now if this candle is breaking the high, we're breaking this high, 15-minute is breaking the high, maybe we can execute a buy, but we have a resistance at the top. So yeah, we could push up. Yeah, this was a good buy to be, but the stop loss would have been, yeah, good buys. See, price move from support, we broke the high and we went up. We're pushing, still pushing up. 15-minute came straight down, 30-minute is down. Oh wow, nothing. We just came right back into the zone. Now you can't take a sell right here because your support is like this. Yeah, we grabbed the liquidity and we came down. So let's just move to the next day. Yeah, this is a bad day. Look at this. Look at the kind of price action we have. Let's just move to the next day. Let me just reset the chart. And we go to the Wednesday, 6 o'clock, right? So yeah, price went up. Now this candle, if we have volume in the market, we should break this resistance and keep going up. 4 hour, we have a heavy bullish run. There is nothing right now. We broke this resistance to the left, and we have kind of a lot of consolidation to the left. Price created a support. We have some, okay, so we broke above this area. Still, it's just top price action, and I think today we also have a CPI news, so maybe market consolidate. Maybe if it is breaking the high, but what I think is if we're breaking the high, maybe we continue pushing to the top and we go, because on the 1 hour we broke this resistance on the, yeah, maybe if we're breaking this high, I think we should Keep stop loss below this candle and we should go up. Oh, it just started. Shit, I should have. Yeah, maybe over here. Maybe if it retrace a bit, yeah, we are going up. Probably, maybe we just missed the trade. Yeah, missed it. The price move way faster. I think the speed. But when you are executing in the real time, you can execute on this because price doesn't move this fast. And maybe I'll wait now. Yeah. Oh wow, this is a good move. We are coming up. We pushed up. We're still pushing up. Now taking a buy makes no sense to me. Maybe wait for a 30-minute time frame to. Now it is breaking the highs, but 30-minute close with a like this. Maybe wait for some pullbacks. Yeah, and then we will see. So now, okay, so in this scenario we had this move like 15-minute. If this candle is breaking the low, I think we have a good chance of retracement and price should go down. This is what we call a counter trend idea, where price created a top wick. Maybe we are keeping stop loss somewhere here, 15 pip. We should continue pushing down. But since 30-minute, we could go up right now. But I think we should continue the momentum to the downside. Let me just manage risk. Will if this candle now starts breaking its own high, I think I'll close 50%. But if we continue pushing down, then we could come down and test the low here. Yeah, it's breaking the low now. We are up like 7-8 pips, and yeah, we should go down. Yeah, 13, 14, 15 pips. We'll close partials here, 80%. Keep the stop loss break even and let the rest run. Yeah, we should come down to this area once this low breaks. Oh, we did not, but okay, we secured the profit. Now no need to rush anything. We secured like 15 pips, a good trade. So even though we missed this trade, see now how I went on a 15-minute time frame and I understood that we had a market structure form, and if this candle is not, we are at the major resistance. If you look on the 4-hour, we are at the major resistance, and if this candle is, though overall trend is bullish, we can take some sort of this kind of counter trade uh, in the market if you have the understanding of market structure. So yeah, now it should go up, but I think we should be waiting for a New York session to kind of break above this, and then we have a good move. So let's just jump to the New York. This is pre-New York, 1 hour is still like that. The next 1 hour candle start breaking the low. 4-hour breaking the low on the 4-hour time frame. Oh wow, oh yeah, today CPI, I forgot, we have a CPI move now. So this is a news, this is a CPI, look at that, CPI, core CPI. I think the news came positive for the dollar. We can't go below 15 minutes, so please bear. This candle, this candle breaking the, we had a, wow, we had a, whenever you have this kind of candle, if you're breaking below this low, maybe we will target 2500 area. If this candle breaks the low, if this breaks the low of the previous 15-minute time frame, then I'll execute a sell here. Yeah, I think we should go down 2500. Maybe I would not use TP, but I think we should go down. We should go down 2500. We should now, let me if this candle now comes back, let me speed it down a little bit. If this candle comes down, I will manage risk very aggressively. 11, 13, we are up 12. Now I should be keeping stop loss at break even. Ooh, it is coming. Yeah, we moving down now. It should not come down now. It should not come up, so I'm gonna break even this stop loss, and we should ride this. I don't know, maybe till this support 24.90, because now we have a good move in the market. So I will close 15, 17, probably maybe secured some of the profits. Oh no, yeah, so it was a break even, but yeah, we moved 18 pips. Not a bad move, to be honest. This you, I don't recommend doing this, because we have moved like 100 and 200 pip. But if you know gold, and if you know how it moves during the news time, then probably you know that it will give you 15-20 pips. But yeah, 15-minute, now we have a 15-minute resistance form. If you're creating, yeah, now this candle should 30-minute. Yeah, now we have a support form on a 30-minute time frame. So this candle breaks the high, we go up. Simple price action. See, same scenario. Like here, we execute a trade. This breaking the high now. We also breaking the high on a 30-minute time frame, and we also go, and then the overall 1 hour candle should be bullish, right? And we should have at least a wick fill and price to go up. Let me speed it up a little bit, but no, 15-minute broke below this. Wow, so now we have to adjust the zones. Broke below this. Yeah, now we are in the consolidation again. See, price always, gives you moves. All you have to do is just to wait for perfect price action to happen. Now we have also, now I think we should go up, since we could not, if this high is broken on the 30-minute time frame, we should go up. Yeah, we should go up now, because we're breaking the highs on a 30-minute time frame. Yeah, so we should continue pushing to the top. 15, 12, we're still up. 1 hour. Once this high broke, wow, nice, yeah, nice this move. See, I just changed my bias just by looking price action. I did not, hesitated that, okay, if this is doing and we are moving down, I just understand the simple price action. But if one thing is happening over the another, you have to change your mind. And this is why trading is difficult, because I think what happens is, when someone tells you that you have to drive a vehicle in a certain way, and the next moment that person is just saying, no, the way I taught you is not going to work now, and you have to find another way to drive, so you will get confused, and this shift in the what you can say bias or your education is gonna haunt you for very long time, because this is the basic aspect of trading, I guess. Yeah, we're pushing up now. You have to just modify this and let's see how far we goes. Yeah, now what I will do is and in this moment, in this at this moment, you should just trail your top loss. Now if the next candle come down and break the low of previous 30-minute candle, I will not take a loss, but yeah, I will secure the profits. That's it. See, we corrected the entire move now, and maybe we will just go up. And I don't know. Yeah, wow. 80 pip move on gold. Maybe let me secure more 50% and modify this. That's it. Yeah, now it's stopped out. So good. Yeah, we executed after the news. Very nice. So let's just move to the next day. Let me go to the daily time frame. Never come to the chart and see price like this. Oh, we have zones like this. I used to do this mistake a lot. I would see what I would do, earlier days, that not even earlier days, but in the past year or something like that. I would see, okay, dailies like this, 4 hours like this. It just that, impatient person inside me would just tell me to jump on C and O. We have this support form, and I would just entirely ignore these higher time frames, and that has cost me a lot of money. So no, I'm not gonna do that mistake again. So most of the thing you learn from the mistakes. I think in the trading, even if you have a mentor, if you don't have, it's very recommended that you should have a mentor. You must have a mentor. But even if you have a mentor, you're gonna find what works for you and what's not. So daily, let me forward one more. 6 o'clock, yeah. Daily still range. This candle closed bearish. So I don't know, maybe we weak up and continue pushing down because we are in the range. But at the 4 hour time frame, we created a support, right? On the 4 hour, you can see that, okay, prices made a low, higher low, and high low, and higher highs and higher highs. So technically, price should test this high, which is at 24, 25, 23. We have some more information on a 1 hour time frame, that we now have a resistance form. If I was here, I would have executed right over here as soon as this candle broke. And we have, when you understand the wick fills, this is the wick fill, I would have entered the position right over here if I was there in the market. But since we came late, just wait now. 30-minute time frame, we have obviously a bullish run. All I want, price to come down, create a support, and then continue pushing to the top side. Right now, there is no trade. There is no buys. There is no sells. I think, and to be honest, price could continue, moving up in this 70 pip range. But you have to stick to your plan. You have to wait. Don't get caught up between this bullish runs or bearish runs. It's gonna be tough if you see how price reacted to this. How are you gonna enter in this? Do we have any news today? Oh, we have PPI. So yeah, generally after CPI on the next day, you have a PPI, I think, and also a retail sales data. I think this is unemployment claim as well. So let's just wait. I think, yeah, maybe I would want to execute a sell on this. I've seen this happen in the market. This is not a part of my strategy, but I've seen this happening in the market. Whenever price move like this and we create a low, price keep on pushing down. I've seen this happen. So yeah, 15 pip, good. 15-minute close bearish. See this? See, the only reason that I did not execute on this because I marked this zone like this and I wanted price to create a support. But I've seen this kind of move happen in the market, many times. But you have to stick to your plan. I generally don't execute on this. I don't like to execute. What I would like price to do now is to break and close below this, give me some sort of a confirmation, and then I'll take a buy. Oh, sorry, sell. Oh, that is why it's just moving really fast. It's really choppy. 30-minute still open. We're breaking the high. If we're breaking the high, we could continue pushing up, right? 15-minute now we have a support form, and all I want is to create a support on a 30-minute time frame. If this candle closes bullish, then I'll take a buy to price continue pushing upside. But if we are not creating a support, then I'll wait. It's better to wait now. 4 hour is still bullish. Daily is still open. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, we close like this. We close a weak bearish candle, so there is nothing. I don't like it. I would wait for another 30-minute to close, maybe, and then we will see. If we are now breaking the high, maybe we continue pushing to the top, because 30-minute time frame has now closed a weak body. So can you take a risk on this trade? Can you? Because 1 hour, 4 hour is just like that. Maybe we continue pushing to the top. Yeah, I want to take a buy here, since I would execute a buy here. Since we're breaking this high, we should go up. But if this candle start flipping bearish, I would close the 50%. Yeah, that's what I would do. I want this candle to close a strong bullish and be closing bullish. Yeah, perfect. Very nice. So now the next candle should wick down and continue pushing to the top. If the next candle, so all I am thinking right now, I'm not thinking about profits, how much I'm going to make. All I'm thinking about is how less I'm going to lose. So if this candle, if starts coming down and starts breaking the 50% of the previous candle, I would close 50%. But if it is continue pushing to the top side, then it's all fine. It should continue pushing to the top, to be honest. I think so. Once this highs breaks, we are good. 3, and the overall 30-minute would be bullish. Yeah, we're breaking the highs. Very nice move. Very nice. 9 pips, 10 pips, 12 pips. Yeah, 17 pips. Now, yeah, 19 pips, 20 pips. Maybe I'm gonna close partials here. 80% and break even. And I'm gonna close secured everything at the top. We're going up in this time frame. Yeah, we came down. See, simple. See where I close and the next candle came down. I took book profit. This is not a accidental thing, guys, because I have seen this kind of movements a lot of time in the market, that the price close like this, 20 pip, and gold is a pair where it will give you a big retracement whenever we have some sort of this price action, instead of pushing to the top side. Because here's the thing, price has corrected almost 70-80% move of this bearish candles, right? And now when price moves like 20-25 pips in one direction, it tends to have some pullbacks. So yeah, done. I'll be done for the day. Now it's gonna consolidate. Yeah, see, now you have nothing. Just, and this is gonna be the last day, Friday, and we will see what. Uh, wow, we had a great move. And yeah, see, I told you that if you're breaking these highs, we going up. And this will be the last trade of the week and this simulation. We had a good run. We made 3-4% this week. Uh, yeah, so daily is bullish. No need to even check. Look at the daily 4 hour. All I'm looking right now, if we create a support, then we should continue its momentum to 2570 to 2580. And if we create a support and if you break the support, then we're gonna see some sort of a retracement. But we are in a heavy bullish trend, so counter trading is not recommended right now. So 15 minute, okay, don't even look at the 15 minute, wait for 30 minute. 30 minute, yeah, see, if you had just talk to yourself that we moved like 170 or maybe 113 pip in a bullish direction, then, and if we have a candle closing bearish like this on a 1 hour time frame, then let's take a sell, and we can anticipate that the price is going to correct this move and we have 80-90 pip move to the downside. But guys, you need to understand this, that we are in the bullish trend, and when we are in the bullish trend, price will create a higher highs and high lows. And when price create a higher high, yeah, definitely you can caught this kind of small moves. Yeah, this was 27 pip move, but you don't know that if it is going to be 27 pip move or if it is going to be 10 pip move and the candle close back into the range. So it's always wait for price to create a market structure, and then you execute on this. And now you can't take a buy here. Why? Because if you take a buy here, your stop loss is 42 pip, and the resistance is at 26 pip. So your risk to reward ratio is not there. So it's better to wait. If we now the 30-minute candle break below this, then I would say that okay, we should continue pushing down. But if we break above this, then your target should be 2575. I'm gonna hold this trade till 2575 because gold tends to move $5 increment. When you do this is all-time high, by the way. When you have all-time highs are being broken, so it's wait. So forward this, we had rejection, nothing, no sales right now. Even though this candle closed, no sales. All I'm waiting for price to just break above this area. I'm not taking buys because this range is not enough. I don't like the range. So we close below this now. Okay. So if this 30-minute candle is closing below this, your stop loss is 37. And we also have a market structure, so no trade. Don't even trade. So probably I would just market something like this. Because when you see this kind of wicks, you have to go on the lower time frame to see if we have some sort of a market structure, and we do have. This is a market structure, right? So wait for candle to close above or below this. Wow, now we're getting volume. 15-minute close. I think we can take a buy here. And once we close like this, I think we should go up with volume. We should. Though I know that we are trading in the range, but we're breaking the highs here, guys. It is very lucrative for me that I want to take a buy. Yeah, I like the buy his, but just wait for the candle to close. Let's not break the rules. right? But yeah, if it is, yeah, impulse entry fee, yeah, 70 pip, maybe. Can we take a buy here? Very lucrative. 17 pips. Ooh, it missed, but that's fine. Yeah, see this. See how difficult it is to hold and control your emotions when you see and when you know that price is going to go up. But it's tough. It's very tough. Now if this sediment candle closing bullish, very nice. Now if this candle breaks the high, I'm gonna take a buy. If this candle breaking the high, no, we are not breaking the highs, guys. Nope. Yeah, take a buy here. 25. We should go up now. It's very volatile, to be honest, but 5 minute. Oh yeah, no, we should go up since I think we're gonna take a loss here. Yeah, we took a loss. We did not follow the rules, but that's fine. If I will give my trade a second chance, if happens. If happens, I'm gonna give my trade a second chance. Yeah. Now it should break the high. I very much sure that we should go up. Breaking the highs is important. No, we're not breaking the highs, guys. We're not yet. I think maybe volume gonna come in NY. Yeah, volume should come in NY. Yeah, look at this. Breaking the highs is all I'm looking at. Now we are in the consolidation. Now we can mark the zones like this. We are in the range. Breaking this high, 23 pip. Daily is bullish. 1 hour is bullish. 15-minute close like this. Another 15-minute candle. Oh wow, closing like this. We can't take a buy here. Breaking this high, we go up. See, I always wanted to take a buy, but seems like the stop loss would have been a way bigger. And yeah, you have to wait. I think price will move in New York session and not right now. The 15-minute close. I don't want to take a buy. I want to price to create a support here and then take a buy. We're breaking above this, to be honest. Yeah. I want price to create a support here, not take anything shady. Yeah. Now adjust the zones. Now, I'm not even looking at sales right now. Even though you can call it a fake out, but I'm not looking for sales. I am looking for buys because we are in a heavy bullish trend. We pushing bullish, created a support, and this candle is 20 pip, 34. We are, oh wow, if this is breaking the high, maybe we go up. We are in the range. Let's wait for NY to open. We are NY is now if it is breaking the high, we should go up this candle, because now we are, this is a NY open, and NY open should have a volume, and if the NY open has a volume, we should break this high and should continue pushing to the top. Okay, let's see. If we're breaking these highs, I think makes sense for price to go up and 31 pips. But yeah, we're in the range, but 15-minute close like this. This 15-minute candle is breaking the high, we go up. We go up. Ooh, just tough. We should go up on this trade. 30-minute. No, I don't think, but we are in the range. Yeah, we are in the range right now. Just because trend is bullish, I am taking this risk. Otherwise, yeah, 10, 8 pips, very nice. 12 pips, should go up. 18, 16 pips. See, we closing bullish. Maybe with volume now, we should go up. Maybe with volume. If it's come down to the entry point, maybe I'll close the trade. But I think with volume, we should go up. I'm gonna very aggressively manage the risk. Yeah, we're pushing up, and this candle, it should just break this resistance now because we have volume. Ooh. It came back. Wow, just to create a bottom wick. I don't know. Yeah, 25. So I'm gonna hold it till 25.75, because now, yeah, I think I'll close partials here, because I don't know if we gonna break, and I will, yeah, should go up. Wow, yeah, look at this. See, this is the area that I marked. Price went up. I knew it that we're not gonna come back and retest this, and price should trend up. Price now should go up. Yeah, now maybe what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna manage my stop loss. Maybe 2600. Can we get it to 2600? Wow, we are only on this small position. We are up $115. Wow, oh, we almost came down to our stop loss. We're still going up, going strong. Maybe I'll close partials here, 50%, and let the rest run. Still bullish. Wow, yeah. 15. Okay. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna close this entire thing. So let's analyze that, what the trades that we executed this in this simulation, and how we manage risk. What was the important factor in managing risk? I think the only trade we did not manage risk was I think over here. Yeah, this was not this. Yeah, this trade. The only thing that we did not manage risk, and that was not a good trade. I made a mistake on that trade. The only trade that I could not manage was this one. But apart from that, we had a good week. We had a good simulation. Let me see the statistics now. We made a 5% profit on this $10,000 account, so around $500. Let's see. Gross profit was $585. Loss was 126, and that the one trade has contributed a maximum of loss, which we did not manage. Largest, yeah, see this 130. Otherwise, our profit would have been 6-7% if we did not execute, or if we had managed risk on that trade. But that's okay. You won't be able to manage risk all the time, anyways, in the market. So history. Let me just go and show some history. So look at all the trades that I've taken. See this: $98, $7. Look at the losses that I've taken: $6, $16, $65 profit, $89 profit, $31, $13. Here we got $81, right? Here we lost $103, but apart from that, $95, $40, $60. We lost only 2-3 trades, I think, and we won maximum trades. Let me see. Long trades were 11, short trades were 5, long trades were 9, short trades were 1. Yeah, see, profitable trades were, number of trades we took 16, right? Number of profitable trades 10, and loss we had on 6. Loss, we actually don't consider loss like this, because sometimes when your break-evens get hit, this simulation or the MT5, it also consider this as a loss. But even if you just accept that these stats are correct, then your strategy is 60% profitable, and 40%, 60% you can say you can make profits out of that. And I think, yeah, we had a great simulation. I think you have to just learn from your own mistakes. You have to back test, keep on, honing to your strategy, keep on working on it, what works for you, what not. You need to understand that when to wait, when to execute, what kind of price action that you need to see in the market, and not what you are seeing in the market. So when you wait for one particular thing to happen, you will start finding your edge in the market. It's all about finding your edge and execute on that edge, and stop focusing upon P&L. So I hope you gain some value from today's session. I'm going to post one more video soon where I will explain about these 4-hour candles and how the session influence these candles. See these 4-hour candles, every day has a 6 4-hour candles, and I will dissect those 4-hour candles, and I will guide you that how you can anticipate moves based on that one 4-hour candle, because all you got to do is you need one 4-hour candle in a day to get your profits and to really execute your trade. So I hope you love the content. Thank you so much. Thank you. Please share, like, comment, subscribe with your friends and your colleagues to gain so that it will help me out, but as well as they will also get to some valuable information that I am giving it all free. So thank you so much, guys. See you in the next video.